Hello, this is Homesteading Northwest Florida. It is September 2nd, 2023. It's a Saturday, and I have a Nissan Titan, and for some reason it wouldn't start. So I'm doing some testing on the fuel pump. I dropped the whole gas tank, so might as well do this now, and I'm going to clean this gas tank completely. I did have issues around here with some rats eating wires, and so I'm testing things. But anyhow, here's the top of the fuel tank. And this is what you want to do when you pull before you're not going to be able to see anything. There's a cover on here, and you're not going to be able to see anything about how this works. But this is how you remove that. You got to do these two. I tried to do these two, didn't really work, but here's the two closest to this center of the fuel pump. And then here I have a temporary hose that goes on here. I'll show you how it goes on, because yeah, we're going to be doing that. We're going to be pumping this thing out since the fuel pump still works. But here's another thing with the wires. This is the fuel signal level and how to test it with the ohm meter. I have it on 20K. This is my cheapo Harbor Freight, so we don't want to leave the battery on that long. But I have the positive hooked up to the 4th pin, and then the negative hooked up to the 5th and last pin in there. And here we're going to turn on the ohm meter, and there we go. You can see that if I wiggle this fuel level thing goes up and down. I'm not going to wiggle it on my truck with jack stands, but you can see how that still works. You know, and here's your evap line. And I didn't find anything that, you know, I need stuff to be really clear. So I'm learning here too. And my fuel pump had no shield on it. So I could just, but I kind of ruined this connection here by not knowing how this works. But you got to take a pliers and do these two. Let's make that clear. These two right here. And then you should be able to pull that line off. Because mine, I think, was kind of mangled. So is this connector. We're going to shut off this cheapo Harbor Freight thing because it'll run out of battery. But here is what I deduced for the wires. And there is a temperature sensor. And I'm going to see if I can test that before I drain all the gas out of here. All right, thanks for watching.